31st July 2019, a few representatives of our Ramakrishna Sevasharm start a journey towards those affected areas. Actually, the whole devote and members are involved in it. Purpose to give them a good support and provide a minimum amenities of their life. In that great motive, we first visit the Hatipota relief camp, which is about 10 kilometers, 10 kilometer চাপড় ছাড়িয়ে, Dhubri district. There are about 200 people of that camp, more than 200 people. That camp they are happy to receive our minimum support like fruit, cloth, etc. So on that way, our next visit to outside of this relief camp, these peoples are quiet their homes and force them to take shelter on high grounds. ওইখানে সাধারণত একটা লাইন হচ্ছে, তার উপরে তারা স্থান নিয়েছে, তার উপরে এখন তারা থাকছে, যেহেতু জায়গাটা একটু উঁচা। We are happy to provide milk and clothes for small babies and saris for women. Everyone embrace our work and happy to get a positive reaction from all fields. As a member of Ramakrishna Sevasharm, we are always stand for their help. These social relief works are provide a good motivation, a great positive attitude, and provides a good fertile ground of our future generation. তো আপনারা যারা এই মহান কাজে ইনভলভ হতে চান এবং আমাদের সহযোগিতা করতে চান, তারা আমাদের সঙ্গে যোগাযোগ করবেন এবং আমরা তাদের সঙ্গে থাকতে পারব।